Hello, I got your question email. Guess it's from 9.1. Maybe it's the first question, maybe number 2. They want you to find z sub alpha over 2 here. Z sub alpha over 2. I think it's an 85% confidence interval. There's different ways, you can use the tables and do it by hand. I guess is what they have here available. You can do it with the calculator or StatCrunch. I guess StatCrunch is a pretty easy way to do this. If you click on Stat here in the normal calculator and you choose the normal calculator and click on Between, what this means is this area here is 0.85. So since it's z-score, you leave this at 0 and 1. And this area is 0.85. So you put that in here and you click Compute, and it gives you the z-scores. This z-score here is the one we're after, z sub alpha over 2. It's 1.4395. The area to the right here is this alpha over 2. You'd have to calculate it, but it's the area to the right. Just put the 0.85 here, click Compute, and this number here is what you're after. Hope that helps.